Hey everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma. I want to make a quick video talking about what is happening in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of you who are watching this video are also into crypto. I have seen multiple messages come to me talking about what is happening in this market. It is 4th of December today, and in the noon time, the market fell down by about 17%, and I bought about 80,000 rupees worth of cryptocurrencies today. By the end of this video, I will also be investing another 20,000 rupees in cryptocurrencies. So I'll talk about exactly what crypto I bought, why I bought them, and we'll also look at why is the market going down right now. So let's start with this video. Make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And first of all, let's look at what crypto did I buy. So as you can see, I invested about 80,000 rupees into 5 different cryptocurrencies. You have Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, Mana or Mena, whatever you call it, and then you have Sand from the Sandbox. First of all, why did I buy 20,000 rupees worth of Ethereum? Well, first of all, Ethereum 2.0 is coming in the next year. By the mid of next year, the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade should be coming, and with the help of that upgrade, first of all, Ethereum will shift from proof of work to proof of stake. The transactions per second will be going to 100,000 transactions. Right now it is 30, so that is going to be a huge increase. The gas fee is going to go down, and we will also start to see a deflationary Ethereum, right? So there will be more Ethereum burned than what is created. That will make it ultrasound money. You can go to this website called as ultrasound.money, where they will actually show you what does ultrasound Ethereum look like, as you can see on your screen. So if I click on simulate merge, which will be happening next year, by the mid of next year, you can see 3.7% per year the supply will go down, right? So the inflation right here is minus 3.7%, which is basically deflation. And that is why I think Ethereum is going to be really valuable in the future. So that is why I bought about 20,000 rupees worth of Ethereum. Then I also bought about 15,000 rupees of Bitcoin. There's no particular reason for Bitcoin. It's just there. It doesn't really move much. It has been hovering from $40,000 to about $70,000. And that's what Bitcoin is doing right now. Then we have ADA. I bought about 11,100 rupees worth of Cardano. The reason I bought Cardano was because 2 days ago on Thursday, Charles Hoskinson was talking about recent developments in the Cardano project. He was talking about how they're going to introduce decentralized applications, and now you can build dApps on top of the Cardano blockchain. And that is going to be really bullish, I think, for Cardano. There's going to be a lot more applications of ADA, and that is the reason why I invested in Cardano. Then I purchased about 17,000 rupees worth of Mana, as well as 17,000 rupees worth of Sand from Sandbox. Let's try to understand what is Decentraland and Sandbox. So both of these are metaverses. That's how they like to call themselves. So basically, these are virtual worlds in which you can buy land and you can create virtual experiences for other people to experience, to use. And whenever they will use something, whenever they will do something in that particular metaverse, they will transact with the help of their coin. That is Sand in the case of Sandbox, and Mana in the case of Decentraland. I think in the future, a lot more people are going to join into this metaverse and they'll be interacting virtually. Already with Sandbox, we have seen the alpha release of that. There's going to be a beta release, and then they will launch it for everyone. And when everyone starts to use it, there's going to be a lot more transactions. There's going to be a lot more value. And that is why I think the value should go up according to me. Again, these are just my thoughts. I can totally be wrong. So just make sure that you understand that. Next, by the way, if you have not hit the like button, please do so. Now let's take a look at why the market is going down. So if you look at the cryptocurrency market, it is down by about 17% right now. The reason for that, I am not so sure why that is happening. But let's just look at the yearly chart of Bitcoin and try to understand that. When you look at this, you will realize that whenever Bitcoin is approaching the end of a month or the starting of a month, you will always see a dip happening in Bitcoin, right? So for example, this was the 27th of January, right? It dipped from the top of, what was that, 40,000 down to about 30,000. Then you again go to the top, and then you come down at about 28th of February. Then again by the 25th of March, you again go down, then you again go up. And by about 24th of April, you again come down. So this is a common pattern that we have noticed with Bitcoin. And similarly, we approach the end of November and the beginning of December, and that could be a reason why this is happening. Now, the reason that this happens is because of the expiry of future contracts of Bitcoin. And that's what you need to understand about this. right? So that was just what I feel could be one of the reasons. I could totally be wrong, so just take this with a grain of salt. But let's move on and try to understand the last topic of this video, and that is me investing 20,000 rupees. The crypto that I'll be investing into right now is going to be Matic from Polygon. Now I'll be quickly investing about 20,000. Let's just do that, or let's just invest 100%. And let's just do that right now. Now, the reason I invested into Matic or Polygon is because of the different applications that Polygon has. It is because of this podcast I listened to in which they were talking about the different applications of Polygon. And that was really interesting to me. I learned a little bit more and I decided to invest in this cryptocurrency. So that's what I want to say. Again, you can look at that particular podcast. I'll put the link of that in the description if you want to learn more about that. One thing you will notice is that in this whole video, I didn't talk about the technical analysis. I didn't talk about where is the 24-hour chart moving up and down, why I bought this cryptocurrency, what is the pattern it is creating, head and shoulder pattern, or what is the moving averages looking like, 20-day moving averages, 50-day moving averages. I don't really care about that because I am more looking into the actual applications of the underlying blockchain and then making my decision to invest into something. Just keep one thing in mind. This is not financial advice. Make sure that you do your own research and only then invest into something. I am not investing my life savings into crypto. As you can see right now, it's a very small percentage of what I normally invest. And if I lose this investment, I am completely fine with that. So just make sure that you understand that. Make sure that you invest only what you know is right and don't just follow the FOMO. Make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Let me know in the comment section if you're still watching by saying I watched till the very end. I will see you all in the next video.